Shalom, shalom. Go by Yakael. Coming back with another video through the Spirit, Lord's willing to edify and straight to the point before I move any further when you get infinite honor, praises, and glory unto the Heavenly Father and His Son, Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai. And that's like to get the honors to our teachers and apostles. There's a great millstone, GMS, taught us 100% truth according to the Bible as being great examples to us in the faith. And double shalom, salutations to the Akish, full inspiration in His word, truth, faith, sincerity, also giving diligence. And it's also making a calling and election sure. Shalom.
Developing news, a new video showing a massive magnitude 7.4 earthquake that rattled Japan just a few short hours ago. It happened around 5 p.m. local time. The quake triggered a tsunami warning for part of the country's east coast. Evacuations are ongoing. The Japan Meteorological Agency said the tsunami wave heights of nearly 10 feet are possible. For now, there's no tsunami threat for Hawaii or Guam, according to NOAA's U.S. tsunami warning system. So good news there. But a magnitude 7.4, that is one of the stronger magnitudes we've seen over this last decade. Now, thankfully, no tsunami alerts are present for the United States.
I'm going to pause the video for a second because everything that you're seeing happening, from, the earthquakes, from, uprising of the people, the protests that's happening, peaceful or not, it's all, prophecy. It's all Bible prophecy, end time prophecy. Alright? Earthquakes in diverse places. This is one of them. This is what? A 7.4? Alright? The Lord spoke of these things was going to happen, man. He said that these earthquakes was going to be in different diverse places. And you seeing it live in action.
But it does bring me backward to that time where there was the 8.2 magnitude earthquake that eventually triggered tsunami alerts for Hawaii. But in this case, it seems as though the tsunami waves are going to be rushing into Japan as opposed to the opposite direction. Yeah, we'll continue to watch the situation unfold.
And what did the scriptures say? Because it all goes back to the scriptures. Everything you seen happen on the earth, it was already written that it was going to happen. 2nd Ezra chapter 9 verse 3, therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, it says, then shalt thou well understand that the Most High spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. And these earthquakes are an indication that we are in the end times, man. Alright? And the Lord said it. The Lord spoke of these things happening, man. He said it. This would come to pass. The earthquakes, And look, you see it. Still think the Bible's fake. And I'm gonna bring out. It's gonna be my last precept. The Lord's giving us signs that we at the end. We at the end of this age, this rulership. And these earthquakes are a tall tale sign. This is in Luke 21:11. It says, in great earthquakes. And this one of them right here that rattled Japan. So this is Bible prophecy again speaking. St. Luke 21:11. Great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. And one of those diverse places was Japan. It says, and famines and pestilence. Right? Pestilence, we seeing these things, we seeing the shortage of food, we seeing, pestilence, which that's going into diseases. A lot of these types of earthquakes, these mega earthquakes are going to bring diseases, it's going to bring evils. Because with these earthquakes happening, it stops, trucks, food trucks coming in, people that need medicine, and stops these medicines from being reached to their destination. It says, and pestilence and fearful sights, right? Seeing the ground shake, seeing, buildings shaking, that's a fearful sight. And along with many other fearful sights that the Lord's going to bring, this is a great sign should they be from heaven, But the point was, great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. The point that I want to make is the Lord's bringing these earthquakes. It's only going to get worse, man. Signs of the end. Let me just go ahead and close out, man. This is pretty much a news report. You know, it's keeping our people updated of what's happening in the earth. Lord's willing, the lesson was edifying, to give infinite honor, praises, and glory unto the Heavenly Father and His Son, Yahweh Bashim, Yahweh Shai, and double honors to our teachers, the apostles, the elders of great Millstone, GMS, who taught us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's being great examples to us in the faith. And double shalom, salutation to the icons across the four winds, pushing His word, truth, faith, sincerity, also giving diligence, also making a calling, and the lesson sure, shalom.